If you want to round edges in Photopea, the easiest way is to use a shape as a guide, and then clip your photo into it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create clean, rounded corners fast, even if you've never used Photopea before. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image you want to edit. Once your project is open, take a look at the toolbar on the left side and select the rectangle tool, which you can also find by pressing U on your keyboard. This is the tool we'll use to create the rounded container for your photo. Now, before you draw anything, look at the top options bar. You'll see a setting for corner radius. This is what controls how round the edges will be. If you want a soft, modern, rounded look, try something like 40 pixels. If you want the corners to be even more curved, you can increase that number. If you want a more subtle effect, lower it a little. The higher the radius, the rounder the corners. Once the corner radius is set, click and drag on your canvas to draw the shape. Make sure the shape is the exact size you want for your final photo container. This part is important because the shape acts like a template for the photo. Try to match the dimensions you want for the final result, whether that's a square post, a banner image, or a profile style crop. After you draw the shape, go over to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. You should now see your new shape layer and your photo layer. The next step is arranging them correctly. Make sure your actual photo layer sits directly above the shape layer. If the photo is below the shape, the mask won't work the way you want. So, if needed, just drag the photo layer above the rounded rectangle layer. Now comes the key step. Right-click directly on your photo layer in the Layers panel. In the menu that appears, choose Clipping Mask. As soon as you do that, your photo will be clipped into the shape underneath it, and the edges will appear rounded based on the corner radius you set earlier. This is one of the fastest ways to round edges in Photopea because it gives you a clean, professional result without having to manually erase corners or use complicated selections. And the best part is, you can easily adjust the size, shape, or corner radius later if you want a different look. If the crop doesn't look right, don't worry. You can move the image around inside the mask to reposition it or resize the shape until it fits better. This makes the process very flexible, especially if you're creating graphics for social media, thumbnails, or website images. So to quickly recap, select the rectangle tool, set your corner radius, draw the shape, place your photo layer above it, and apply a clipping mask. That's how you round edges in Photopea in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photopea tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.